बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 15 दिसंबर 2024 के अखबार में। पोजीशन ओपन कराची अकाउंट्स, अ गारमेंट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी लोकेटेड एट SI site requires male/female accountant with more than 3 years experience having graduate. Send your resume at 0315 2211 0315 2211 or accounts at ayyoobapp.com ayyoobapp.com. An accountant with minimum of 6 years of experience is required for NGO school located in DHA Karachi. Qualification and experience required. Minimum bachelor's in finance studying ACCA CA. CIMA is a plus. The individual will perform all daily accounting tasks, prepare periodic and annual accounts along with cash flow and budgets, have some administration experience, manage all tax matters. Good communication and self motivation is a must. Please send CV to skillsconnection@gmail.com skillsconnection@gmail.com. An established organization requires an experienced accountant. Candidate must have 2 to 3 years of general banking and taxation experience. Clifton residents preferred. Please WhatsApp your resume at 031122848828 031122848828. Required accountant 2 to 3 years of relevant experience. Email CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930 and 021322438889 021322438889. Required accountant minimum BCom, computer skills, experience in export work and English correspondence. Contact WhatsApp 032024908787 032024908787. Required accounts manager in growing garments factory. Minimum 5 years experience. Location plot number 3637 sector 25 near Bilal Chaurangi Korangi Industrial Area, Karachi. Send your resume on WhatsApp 031421333026 031421333026 and 0346353754 0346353754. कंप्यूटर्स की जॉब है। रियल एस्टेट कंपनी इन डिफेंस रिक्वायर्ड अ फीमेल कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर प्लस रिसेप्शनिस्ट. मस्ट नॉलेज अबाउट रिलेटेड फील्ड. Nearby resident to defense will be considered. Send your CV 0300 22030014 0300 22030014 or email hrproperty789@gmail.com hrproperty789@gmail.com. Engineering. A well-reputed engineering company requires mechanical engineers with a master's degree having a strong mechanical systems design background. Positions require minimum 2 years work experience in energy and/or environmental engineering areas. The candidate must possess strong engineering and analytical skills to deliver robust engineering solutions. The candidate must also have excellent English O/A levels. Language and technical report writing skills. Proficiency in computers and professional design softwares is also required. Excellent prospects. Apply engr.energy@gmail.com. Towel industry requires experienced export documentation in charge. Send your CV by 21st December at humanresource105@gmail.com. We are hiring TSO/sales representation, a national based company engaged in manufacturing and selling of lubricant products needs TSO/sales representative. Qualification intermediate/FA experience 3 to 5 years in automotive/lubricant/FMCG. Responsibilities: persons will be responsible for visiting shops/markets in assigned areas, bring orders from the markets, develop new jobs and retain existing customers, will be responsible for achieving volumetric and product-wise sales target, ensure the best display of our products by means of sufficient merchandising in the market, must be patented, target or oriented, honest and hard worker, benefits: market competitive salary plus target incentive plus fuel plus bike maintenance. Apply now. Contact us 0314123951, 0314123951. HR petroenergy11@gmail.com, HR petroenergy11@gmail.com, कराची, हैदराबाद, सक्खर, मीरपुर खास. Purchaser required must have 2 to 3 years of experience, very good knowledge of Karachi local markets, must have his own bike. Person having relevant experience, please apply with CV and number latest by Saturday 28th December 2024 at hiring.com@gmail.com. Required female staff for reputed financial company. Qualification: masters, English written/spoken fluency, must send your CVs on WhatsApp 0334228180, 0334228180. We are hiring a shift in charge at well-renowned restaurant located at Defence Phase 5. Candidate who has 3 to 4 year experience of food delivery and order booking services can apply. Preference will be given to computer literate. Contact number 0312064553, 0312064553, or email us dinojanalspizza@gmail.com. Cook required, home kitchen. Contact house number 2B6 Central Lane Phase 2 DHA Karachi 0321 2296677, 0321 2296677. Recruiting for positions: 1 marketing, number 2 logo designer, number 3 social media advertisement, only for female, age limit 20 to 30 years, 0311 8216963, 0311 8216963. Ali required, female, house manager/nanny for job in DHA, 6 days a week, 1 holiday on every Sunday, fluent in Urdu and should know basic cooking for kids, 0336274651, 0336274651. Young dynamic person, either sex, who has good knowledge of YouTube, account management. Please WhatsApp on 0308 8295858, 0308 8295858. Management. Mass International Group requires applications from graduate/masters, male/female, for the positions of restaurant and guest house managers, floor managers, cashier, chef, F&B manager, account manager for foreign outlet with minimum 2 years experience in guest house and restaurant. Send your CV with latest photograph on WhatsApp latest by 26th December on 0327230137, 0327 230135 अच्छा जी, ये मल्टीपल की जॉब है। आईटी मैनेजर, मिनिमम 5 years एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट। नंबर 2 अकाउंटेंट, मिनिमम ग्रेजुएट विथ 5 years एक्सपीरियंस। CV email at hr@asn.com.pk, hr@asn.com.pk, senior accountant for all banking and import business / telephone operator / receptionist, 3 years experience for PA, BX and computer. OPRcareer@gmail.com, WhatsApp 0322284153, 0322284153 and 032828461009, 032828461009। अच्छा जी, टीचर्स की जॉब है। नेशनल हाई स्कूल रिक्वायर्स मॉन्टेसरी डायरेक्ट्रेस फॉर प्री स्कूल, मस्ट बी मॉन्टेसरी ट्रेंड एंड फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश टीचर्स फॉर प्राइमरी ग्रेड्स। Experienced PTI has worked previously in a school. Contact WhatsApp 033333555313, 033333555313. Address Street number 3, Block 13A, opposite PIA Planetarium, Gulshan Iqbal, Karachi. Experienced female teachers required biology, English, science, Park Studies, secondary classes and mathematics, primary / section. Ahad Public School, D for Doctor, 94/5, FP area, Karachi, near Tahir Villa roundabout, opposite KIKD. 021363649661, 021363649661. Looking for teaching or school management jobs? Join Ustad Plus, Pakistan's first free teacher finder app. Over 3,500 professional teachers, 500 plus top schools actively posting jobs. Salary ranges from 30,000 to 4 lakh PKR. Whether you are a teacher or part of school management, Ustad Plus connects you to the right opportunities in the education sector. For more details, visit our Facebook page today. Contact details +9233031226, +9233031226. Renowned school in Gulistani Johar, Block 12, seeks 1 English teacher for secondary classes. Number 2 Montessori teacher. Number 3 librarian. Number 4 home teacher for foundation classes. Candidates must be proficient in English with relevant teaching experience. Contact 033323517873, 033323517873 and 0213461329, 0213461329. Required secondary English, chemistry, physics, maths teachers, female, academic coordinator and in charge for school located in Liaqtabad. Contact 032303483833, 0323383833. The educator Safayam Advanced Campus requires teachers for computer, English, science, biology, chemistry, physics, maths, Urdu, Sindhi. Also required primary and preschool teachers. Bring CV at the educator Safayam Advanced Campus, opposite Rafayam Park, Malir Hold. Contact 0335103919, 0335103919. Email educators.ras_seniorwing@yahoo.com. The Kent City School, Korangi, Zaman Town, a reputable educational institution, invites applications from senior and junior math, English, SST and science trained teachers and sport teacher to join our vibrant community. Good salary package. 032189285543 jobs, 032189285543 jobs. thekentcityschool@gmail.com, thekentcityschool@gmail.com. The King's School requires lady chemistry / science teacher, BS / MSc. Number 2 lady pre-primary Kindergarten to KG2 teacher graduate preference Montessori directress contact campus Rabia's Villas near Karachi University 349788288 349788288 campus to Rabia Patel Asfahani Road near Paradise Home 3464743 3464743 and 3464744 3464744 WhatsApp 0300 0258288 0300 0258288 email kingschool786@gmail.com kingschool786@gmail.com Urgently required experienced trained science graduate lady teacher of all subjects for primary and secondary classes must be fluent in English with good teaching background. Address 75 P for Pakistan, block number 6 PECHS Karachi, cell number 0334391170 0334391170 and 0321927777 0321927777 email varsis_es@hotmail.com. Urgently requirement a reputed school located in North Nazimabad town requires the following teacher on urgent basis: 1 pre-primary/primary teachers for all subjects female. Number 2 secondary teachers for maths, English and science for 9-10 both male/female. Note: teachers with sound knowledge and subjects grip will highly be entertained with attractive salary package. Walk-in interview Monday to Friday, timing 9 AM to 11 AM. Contact 0313985660 0313985660। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।